The Acupressure Set is a great tool if you suffer with any back, shoulder or upper body pain or tension. The pillow is also great to place under the neck to give yourself a little head massage, and it can also relieve headaches and migraines. Let me show you how. So just place the base of your spine against the base of the mat. Engage the core, stay lifted in the body, and then just roll the back down gently all the way. Take hold of the pillow, placing it underneath the neck, finding that sweet spot. And then maybe just start to rock the head right to left. This should feel really nice on the neck. Holding here. If this feels good, you can maybe even lift the knees up towards the chest. This will intensify the pressure all down the back and spine. Again, if this feels good, you can start even rocking right to left, getting all the way to the sides of the back. Holding here for as long as you like. Just shutting off the eyes, releasing the tension in the face. And then when you're ready to come out, release the feet. Roll onto the right or left side, not touching the spikes with the hands. Lift yourself up for support. And then there we go.